Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygos here, the CryptoPie, and today we're going to talk about Bitcoin and Bitcoin only. Alright, so yesterday guys, I tried to predict the bottom again. Once again I failed, right? So, that is because there's heavy manipulation going on. If you go to the blockchain.info and you look at unconfirmed transactions, there's a lot of them, alright? Because people are messing with the hashing power, and also Bitcoin Cash got pumped. It's obviously an orchestrated pump, alright? That is not natural, that is not organic, that is nothing, alright? So, keep that in mind, alright? You will most likely see a huge retrace in Bitcoin Cash, which people already did. You know, it went to 2K, etc. But we're here to talk about Bitcoin. Alright, so what's going on with Bitcoin, guys? If we look at the 1 day, I'll do my analysis again. Let's just take a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, right? So a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this was obviously the 5. Alright, so because we dumped down and we dumped massively, alright. I was sleeping at the time, it's all good. But 5.4k, right, was hit. So if you got filled there, so what do we do if we didn't sell yet, or you know, something like that? So what do we do if we didn't sell yet, alright? And you know it's going kind of back to the 4s, 3s, alright? Because if we look at where we go back to, guys, and we take a Fibonacci, right, from all the way from the bottom to the top, alright, so where are our key point levels? Well, you can see the point 236 and then the 382. I kind of need to make it so these line up. Right, so Fibonacci is like, you want to line them up, right? Maybe this is great. This is great. Alright, so it's from the breakout we're gonna look. Alright, we're going to look from the breakout. It hit the 382 here. So where can it go down to, guys? Well, it can go down to the 618 here. So this level, it's areas, alright? I'm gonna draw the areas for you. So it can go down to this area right here. Let's make it something else than green, because we already have green on there. Let's make it orange. Nah. What color should we make it, guys? Pink. Yeah, let's make it pink. Alright, pink purplish. Yeah, let's do it like that. So that is one area where you could buy. I mean, it's literally all the way to here, right? So, but just to be more safe, yeah, around this area, it can fall down there for sure. It will take time though, and it will definitely not just go, you know, straight down now. As you can see, this was a heavy bounce. It's great that there's some support coming in, but you know, we need to be aware of this. Okay, so what happens in market cycles, guys, when the top is reached? Well, we have to look at a cheat sheet. Alright, this is a cheat sheet. So when this, you see disbelief, hope, optimism, belief, thrill, euphoria. Alright, so I'm trying to explain as well. Then we have the let's see, that is hope. This is hope, guys. Alright, then we got optimism is the next one up. This is optimism. Belief, thrill, and euphoria. They're kind of all in one. You know, there's belief, thrill, and then the euphoria at the end. All right. So, and why I think this is the top for now? It's a nice 5 waves, right? It's a nice Elliott for sure. Definitely packed out nicely. So, if you're didn't sell everything yet, or you want to go into alts or etc., wait for that top place, alright? Wait for your Bitcoin to have the most value. So what happens after euphoria, guys? We go down and then we get complacent. We get complacent, alright? So it's a top, but it's not just as high. Usually these tops are like a 0.5 or 618 or something, alright? So if we let's get rid of the Fibonacci we have here right now. Okay, we get rid of that one. I'm hiding it for now. So if we go from the top here, we go to the bottom, Okay, so complacency, guys, can kick in at the 0.5, like I said, which is 6.6k, or the 618 is 6.97, and 786 is all the way to 7.3. So if it gets anywhere in these levels, guys, look to sell or buy into alts, alright? If you're not out yet, that's just my take on it. Because what I can see happening is after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like I explained in the videos that were fails right now, because of heavy manipulation, like, you know, if you look at blockchain.info, you see so many unconfirmed transactions, etc. That is because of, I mean, just go on the Bitcoin Reddit, alright? It's reddit.com/r/Bitcoin, not /BTC. That is a fake one, guys. That's the Bitcoin Cash one. That is Roger Ver and his crew and, like, you know, a bunch of others just bashing on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's for the people, guys. Bitcoin's not for the companies and for the miners. So yes, we did make some. I mean, I hope you made some profit as well in Bitcoin Cash, but it's purely to make profit to get more Bitcoin, right? That's how I see it. So because Bitcoin is the one for me. So if I look 0, this would have been point A. I mean, it's looking very strong right now. And then perhaps we get like a B here, and then a C can go all the way down here. This will obviously take time, but this can definitely, like, you know, go a bit like this, or perhaps here or here. Alright, there's different scenarios. So let's go in between and let's put it at like around 7k, 6.9 something. Yeah, that is what you're looking for right now, guys. You're looking for a bounce because we have multiple signals that tell me that this was the top. Alright, so not only this, but and also for the bounce back. Alright, the daily is on the bottom, so it will most likely cross up, and then we'll go back up. And people think like, oh, we're going to make a new high. That is possible. However, then this retrace would have only been a what was it? Let's look real quick. It would have only been a 0.382, very bullish. After a 5 wave, I don't expect it. So, I expect to sell here, right? Around here or here. The remaining Bitcoin I still have. Sit in USDT or go into an alt if any alt is looking delicious at that moment. If not, then I'll just wait it out a little bit, right? And then when I see an alt, I'll obviously buy some Bitcoin and go in that alt. But you will always buy lower because it will have fallen. Let's say it fell to here again or something. You can buy lower. So that is how we play the market, guys, right? You play it as it is. You don't play it in the hope that, oh yeah, we're going to 10k right now. No, you don't do that, alright? You play it as it is. So this is the bigger picture, right? This is the 1 day. We're not looking, if we look at the 1 hour, yeah, of course we can go down a little bit again and stuff. But, you know, we play it in the bigger picture right now. 6 hour needs, look, 6 hour crossed up, right? So that means it also tells me we can go up here. 4 hour must have crossed up as well. 12 hour is about to go cross up. So that is for the complacency, guys. Keep that in mind, complacency. Alright, so most likely go back up here or here or here. Well, and then I can see us going down back here, the 4,000 to 3,000 area. I would slowly start buying back in here if I would have USD or Euro or whatever. And then we go back up, okay? So, because if it, so, alright guys, so another thing, if it goes lower than here, it's dangerous, alright? If it goes lower than 2.9, then this low, because then we would have made a head and shoulders, like this would be shoulder 1, the head, and then you would have shoulder 2, and if that breaks, then you're in for a downtrend, like a long downtrend. You don't want that. You don't want to see that happen. But for now, we're not even there yet. So wait, look for this complacency, guys, and yeah, either buy into alts or, you know, get into Euro, USD, or whatever. I don't want you guys to just sit at the top. All right, so people who bought up here. All right, so if you can get out with a break even, do it. All right, trust me, do it. You will feel horrible if we go down here. Now, for my case, I bought like back in here again, so it's no problem at all to wait it out, but I rather have my profit. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna take some profit, maybe look into getting into some alts as well. But that's it for me, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, guys, just leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.